Good afternoon, middle and high school students. It's me, Mr. Dollins, your adapted phys ed teacher. In a moment, I'm going to show you a quick video of how to bowl at home. Yes, bowling. All you need is a medium-sized ball and something to use as bowling pins. Be creative and have fun. Now we're going to bowl at home. All you need is a medium-sized ball that you can hold with one hand. That will be your bowling ball. And you need some bowling pins. Today I'm going to use some water bottles. You're going to bend your legs. You're going to swing your arm. You're going to step and release and roll the ball low to your target, to your bowling pins. Here we go. And release. Nice. I knocked down 2 bowling pins. Let's try that one more time. Bend your legs. Swing your arm. Step and roll. You may use as many bowling pins as you'd like. Be creative, have fun, and remember, exercise your heart muscle and be nice. Now, if you're in a wheelchair, you can roll and push the ball off your tray to knock down your bowling pins. You may need a heavier ball. You may need lighter bowling pins or larger bowling pins to be successful. But be creative, have fun, and continue to exercise your heart muscle and be nice. Bye. Now, another activity that my family and I enjoy doing together is making our own hopscotch course, where you'll be hopping on one foot and jumping with 2 feet. Be creative and have fun. Here's what we did.